Welcome to Easy Digital Art. On this channel, I use Microsoft Office Word office shapes to create art. If you find any of this content useful, please subscribe. In this video, I'm going to create a carbon fiber starfish. I'm going to insert shapes, select the star, shape fill, make it orange, shape outline, dark orange. Now we just click on this control. Just lift it up a little bit. And now I go right click, edit points. And for each middle point, make a smooth point. Okay. Just going to straighten this out a little bit. Bring it down a little bit. Okay. That should be good enough. Material. Make it plastic. Lighting. Choose orange, gold. I'm going to choose this one. Turn it a little bit. Now I'm going to go into pattern, fill, and then pattern. Select the orange, and then the dark one. And then choose that pattern for the carbon fiber. I'm going to copy this. Make it smaller. I'm going to go back here. Go into lighting, choose the blue. Give it a turn. So I'm going to take out this outline. Make it lighter, I should say. Like that. This one. I'm going to give it some lighting. 140. Okay, perfect. That's it. Thanks for watching.